All right, guys. So this is the 16th question. It's obviously a question on circle, on equation of circle. And the question is to find the equation of a circle whose diameter has endpoints, this and that. First of all, let's try and sketch a circle, and this is the diameter. They say it has the endpoint of what is -3 and 2, and then 4 and -6. Normally, the formula for finding such equation of a circle is going to be x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared equals what? R squared. All right. A and B represents the center of the circle, which we do not know now. They represent the what? The coordinate of the center of the circle, which we do not know. So let's find the coordinate of the center of the circle, which actually is going to be the midpoint of that particular circle. So we're going to use the equation of midpoint. The midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 all over 2, comma, y1 plus y2 all over 2. Of course, we can take this one to be our x1, y1, and what's x2, y2. Okay, so what's going to be our x1? X1 is -3, so we have -3 plus x2 is 4, okay, all over 2, comma, y1, that's going to be 2, plus y2, which is going to be -6, which is going to be 2 minus 6, because plus times minus is minus, all over 2. Okay, so it's going to be our midpoint. Midpoint is going to be 4 minus 3. That's going to be 1 all over 2, comma, 2 minus 6 is -4 divided by 2. That's -2. So that's going to be the coordinate of the midpoint, which is going to be our A and B eventually. So we're going to be having 1 all over 2, comma, what? -2. Okay, so let's move on. So now we know x minus a all squared plus y minus b all squared equals r squared. We need to find our r. Okay, we need to find what? Our r. So let's find r. R, as you can see, is the radius of a circle, and if this is diameter, from here to here is the radius, or from here to here is the radius, which means the end point of the radius are either -3, 2, half minus half, or half minus half, 4 minus 6. So any of these two you can use. I want to use these first ones, -3 and 2, and then half and minus half. So now the formula I'm going to use to get my radius is called the distance between 2 points, and the distance between 2 points is going to be equal to that's x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared. Okay, and then everything square root. Yeah, I think I'm getting it right. So yeah, this is going to be my x1, y1, and this is going to be my new x2, y2. I no longer need this particular part. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it there. X2 minus x1, that's going to be half, minus x1 minus -3, which is plus 3, okay, all squared, plus y2, y2 is -2, minus y1 is 2, minus 2, all squared. All right, and my r is going to be square root of 3 plus 1 over 2, that's going to be 3.5, 3.5 all squared, plus -2 minus 2, that's going to be -4, -4 squared is just going to be 16. So I'm going to be using calculator to calculate 3.5 squared plus 6. Let me quickly get my calculator. So 3.5 squared plus 16. So 3.5 times 3.5, that's going to give you 12.25. So I'm having 12.25, okay, plus 16, all square roots. So 12.25 plus 16, that's going to give 28.25. And the square root of 28.25 should be square root of 113 all over 2. That is my r, square root of 113. Then all over 2. 2 doesn't have a square root. So yeah, so I've gotten everything I need for my formula. I know my A, I know my B. That's going to be my A, and that's going to be my B. All right, and I know my R. as root 13 over 2. I'm just going to be squaring it. Okay, and let me just clean the board so that I can accommodate this new formula. So applying the formula now for the equation of the circle is going to be x minus my a was 1 all over 2, all right, all squared, plus a y minus a b was minus 2. Okay, so that is going to be plus 2 because that's minus minus 2, which is going to be y plus 2. And then all squared equals r squared, which is root 13 all over 2, root 113, sorry, all over 2 all squared. If I square all of this, I'm going to get in root 1, I'm going to get in 113 all over 4. So I'm going to just go ahead and write it 113 all over 4. So the next thing I just do here is to try and open the bracket. Let me try and clean this particular. Oh, there's nothing I need here again. I don't think I need anything here again. So I'm going to just open the bracket. If I open this bracket, that's going to give me x squared, and then it's going to be minus x, then plus 1 all over 4. Okay, plus this is going to give me y squared, um, plus 2y times 3, and that's going to be 4y, then plus 4 equals 113 all over 4. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to collect the ones that have squared. So I'm going to be having x squared plus y squared. Then I collect x and y. I have minus x plus 4y. Then I collect the constant terms, which are 1 all over 4 plus 4, then minus 113 all over 4 equals 0. Okay, so I have x squared plus y squared minus x plus 4y. Okay, so if this 4 over 1, if I take the LCM of this, it's going to be plus. Or if I take the LCM of them, I'm going to have 4. 4 in 4 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. Minus 1 in 4 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Sorry, plus. Minus 4 in 4. 4 in 4 is 1. Times 113. That's 113 equals 0. Then I'm just going to write all of this back. X squared plus y squared minus x plus 4y plus 16 plus 4. That's going to give me 20. So 20 minus 113, that's give me 93. Okay, that's 20 minus 113, that's going to be 93. Okay, let's check it again. 4 in 4, 1 times 4 4, and 1 times 1 1. Sorry, that's going to be 1, not 4, because 4 in 4 in 1, 1 times 1 is 1. So I have 17 minus 113. So 17 minus 113, that's giving 96. This kind of makes sense. So I have 96 divided by 4. Minus 96 divided by 4, that's going to give me minus 24. So that's going to be minus 24. Everything equals to 0. So here, okay, x squared plus y squared minus x plus 4y minus 24 equals 0. That should be the, sorry, there's a, so x squared plus y squared minus x plus 4y. Then this whole expression gave us minus 24. So that's minus 24